How you can make a lot of money on the side at home with a profitable 5K to 6K online business easy. Making money online through dropshipping is pretty easy if you know what to do and how to do it. One of the best ways to start making money on the internet is by creating an e-commerce site that will buy and sell various wholesale and close-out merchandise. Making money online through dropshipping is a wonderful opportunity for many people. But this is fact that some people fail to make money online while others make a fortune with this opportunity. What is e-commerce? E-commerce or electronic commerce is the process of conducting business transactions in a virtual economic environment. E-commerce is becoming a rewarding venture. It is continuing to face challenges throughout the passing years. It has stroked the traditional sales and marketing procedures. E-commerce is ideal for niche products. E-commerce is here to stay, and for many it's already second nature when it comes to shopping. Others may need some more convincing that their money and personal details will remain safe should they ever decide to buy something online. E-commerce is the latest trend in the thriving online business arena. Dropshipping explained. Dropshipping is a simple arrangement that enables you to sell high-quality products at low wholesale prices without ever having to store, handle, or ship merchandise. You can sell products on your website, blog, or through an auction website, such as eBay or Amazon. Dropshippers are wholesale suppliers who ship products directly to your customer's door, from the warehouse. Dropshipping is a business that had been limited to large mail-order companies, but with the invention of the internet, dropshipping became available to small business. Dropshipping is now established as a profitable online business form. However, finding reliable wholesalers and dropshippers still remains a major problem for most of the startups. Dropship business cannot blossom without some serious wholesale supplier or distributor at its back. This video is just a short summary about the dropshipping business and how very profitable it is, and why you should consider starting one online. But, for most people this would be a hard task to do, if you don't have a step-by-step blueprint on how to get started. This company has changed all that and has helped hundreds of people grow their online business. If you would like to know more about this very lucrative business, click the link below this video today.